others, and he live his life selflessly without keeping any kind of selfish motive in his mind, and he reached to that destiny. It is called Mahaparinirvan. In our common English we say death anniversary. Today so many people goes to the Chaitya Bhumi. It is in Dadar. Why does it call Chaitya Bhumi? Because on 6 December 1956, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's dead body was burned there, and so many disciples from community, they went there and they take a positive energy. What's happened in this 6th December? People from various places, cities, villages, they reach to Chaitya Bhumi and they take a motivation from them. They purchase there lot of books. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar always said that if you want to do something in your life, first of all, you must be educated. And it is a slogan of B.R. Ambedkar, be educated, be organized, and be agitated. In these three words, all things come together and the people get the motivation, yes, we should learn something. Near about 30 to 35 lakhs rupees books may be purchased by those who believe in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's life, and they take a motivation and they always think that yes, I have come from this society and it is my duty, I should do some for this society. When Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was very young, in his autobiography, he has written the one word, that is no water, no pune, no water. So you can understand what does indicate these words. When Babasaheb Ambedkar was very young, at that time, his teacher asked him one question. His name was Bhiva. Bhiva, can you tell me the one thing to which thing you cannot touch? So many students say sky, but Babasaheb Ambedkar say, sir, there is a pot and in that pot there is a water, but I cannot touch to that pot. Why? Because he was from downtrodden society. And in downtrodden society, they didn't have any kind of authorities, they didn't have any rights, but till Babasaheb Ambedkar learned a lot and he had earned near about 33 degrees. MA, PhD, DSc, DLIT, bar at law, barrister at law. Babasaheb Ambedkar was one of the barrister. Barrister means a person who went in England and there who took the education of law. Now you understand what is the difference between advocate and lawyer. Yes, lawyer means a person who can take the degree of law, but when you become an advocate, at that time you must pass that exam. That exam, it is a regarding Council of Bar. Then you get that degrees and then you can practice in courts. So dear student, in this day, here I would like to tell you only one thing. You try to understand all the things which are happening around you, and you also become the part of society, and you can help those who are the needy, who are the poor. Then we can take the motivation of all this great personality and their lives. Once again, here I pay my homage on this day. I dedicate my words to the great leader, Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, and here I would like to conclude my words. Thank you very much.